Joining me now to discuss this is New Jersey resident Kristen Cobo, who saw the drones firsthand. Kristen, thanks so much for coming on. So what exactly did you see and how did you capture them?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not unique, and I'm certainly no professional cameraman, but on any given night, you go outside in Morris County and all around New Jersey, and you see these gigantic drones hovering over our homes. It's really concerning. It's been for about a month. And like I said, as soon as it gets dark, you can walk outside at any point and see them around 8 to 10 hovering. They're there for hours. And last night, one came pretty close above our house. It's very concerning.
What are they, any idea what they look like to you?
They look like huge drones. It's really concerning and quite frustrating to hear the head of the Department of Homeland Security, Mayorkas, say that it's no unusual activity that they see and that it's a case of mistaken identity. Make no mistake, these are commercial drones and they are being flown in unique patterns over our homes every night.
What are those patterns? What exactly are they doing during that period? And by the way, there's been a lot of information, particularly on social media, about whether or not they're emitting a substance or they're emitting a light of any kind. What are their patterns? What are they doing?
Right. I have seen those accounts as well. I have not seen anything sprayed from them. I've seen lights shining from one to the other. They hover in one place and they kind of rotate. They look like they're mapping, to be honest. And it's concerning, being that we live very close to Picatinny Arsenal. And, you know, our military is saying that they're seeing these patterns. So why aren't they telling us more? I mean, we've just lived through COVID. We're not stupid. We deserve transparency. And we are living through times where people question the government, and lack of transparency is making us more and more concerned.
You know, you use the term "we," and obviously referring to the nation, but also made me think about your community, your neighborhood.
Right.
What is happening every night? Is everybody getting together watching this? Is everybody concerned? Are they calling police? What's it like over there?
Yeah, it's definitely raising alarms. People are calling the police. They're flooding our legislature with calls and emails. The police have so much to do. They don't need to be fielding these calls. The government easily can handle this by either telling us what they know, because they have to know more than what they're telling us. And if not, that's pretty concerning. And I think, like I said, more communication and transparency, because there are concerns. People are taking matters into their own hands and planning. I can be completely honest, I hear people stocking up on ammo, people stocking up on food, making emergency kits. I mean, for a month, these commercial drones are over our homes. There must be more going on that they're not telling us.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, are people planning on taking some sort of action? What has law enforcement told you? Are they being kept in the dark as well?
Well, I know our local officials, our legislature has met, and senators have met with the New Jersey State Police, who have been wonderful, and they're being as transparent as they can with the little information that they're getting from our federal government. They can only do so much with what they have, the resources that they have. So they are out and they're working around the clock to address the issue. But like I said, without more resources and more information from the federal government, there's not much they can do. Their hands are tied.
Well, Kristen Cobo, thank you for coming on, sharing with us your experience, and please stay safe. Tell everybody out there to stay safe as well. And if you see something and you can capture a photo of it, let us know. We'd like to know as much information as possible.
Thanks so much for having me.
Yeah, you got it. Thank you so much. All right, over now, we have a programming alert. There is a News Nation special report, Drones Over New Jersey, and Ross Coulthard is going to host that. It's tonight at 7 p.m. Central. We're going to be sure to make sure to tune in for that one. And
thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.